it's there we go.
Yeah. Perfect.
Was that Iron Condor strategy video, was that helpful? Did anyone watch it?
I haven't watched it yet.
No?
No. But did you post it on Discord? Or did you post it on WhatsApp?
ના ના આપણા WhatsApp પર જ મૂક્યું હતો મેં. Because people
Oh.
are more active on WhatsApp than Discord.
Okay, no problem. I haven't looked into that video, but I will go through both the things in this week.
Yeah. It's fine. I'll just resend it. I'll put it on the Discord as well, so that way all of you can look at it again. Okay. All right. So this is the quick thing which I do. I always have a certain strike in mind. So let's say, for example, we are doing. Let's say, for example, we are doing Tesla, right? Now, when I give out the levels in the morning, right, I said 117 break. We are going to look for the downside. That's what we did it in the morning, right? So 117, what I always look either at the money or in the money contracts, and I open them up separately like this. So if you go to charts, and I'll let you guys pick up the pace with me, so that way it'll be easier for you. If you go to charts, and then you see chart, flexible grid, and product depth right here. Right, so chart, flexible grid, product depth. And then what I want you guys to do is on the right-hand side, when we see this list, it says trade, time and sales, active trader, big buttons, chart, base score, right? I want you guys to click on active trader and also keep the chart on as well. Right, so this is how your screen is going to look like. Right, left side, we have a chart. Right side, we have active trader. We can put all these, RSI and all that jazz up later on. You guys know how to put the studies in, right? Now, when you turn on these active traders, what you want to look is right up on the top. You guys can see buy market, buy market, sell market, cancel, reverse, and flatten. Do let me know if you guys are setting up with me, so that way I can go step by step.
So yeah, I just joined, man. I'm trying to figure out where you got so far, but so
Okay.
instead of that flexible grid or that multiple charts, you just went to one single stock chart?
Yeah, so one single chart. And this is more of like, when you are watching a particular stock, particular strike, it can be quickly changed over here. But this will be a much easier option when it comes to, quick buy, quick sell. There are different ways that I can show it to you as well over here. But this is the first we have started. So we went to chart and then chart, right? And then on the right, there is an active trader and then chart. So without this, it's just gonna look like this. But when you click both,
Got it.
it's going to look like this,
Oh,
right? The studies can be added as you need, right? Depends on what you need. If you need RSI, if you need those MAs, moving averages, and all that, that can be added in this one. But most likely, when we are focusing on the trading, I don't think that for options you would need any sort of these MAs. Then you will have a separate chart that you are looking at on that for that particular stock, and then you are technically trading right here,
mm-hmm.
right? The same thing can be done in a flexible grid as well. But I would rather prefer this and have my chart open separately, so that way it's away from it. I don't need to get it confused between the chart for an option chain and the chart for that particular stock, which I really don't need it. Anyways, so are we all good up to here?
Yeah, I got that active trader. Yes.
Right.
Thank you.
All right. So now what we do, let's consider this as an actual chart that I have opened separately, right? And I said today morning, hey guys, we are looking, as soon as this break 117, we are looking to go downside, right? To get the Tesla. Now, you can do it over the phone, right? But we can, as I give you guys the strike beforehand, right? What you can do is can simply go right here, type instead of Tesla, right? There is a drag down menu right next to it. Right? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to options. And then on options, I'm just gonna go Tesla, enter, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's showing me an option chain over here. There. I just different strikes, right? So I can see more strikes.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now I'm ready. So when somebody says, hey, you know what? I'm looking for Tesla, such and such strike, like let's say strike 117 put. So now I'm ready right here, Tesla, strike 117 or 110, let's for example, right? I'll pick this up. And now you see this, what chart is it showing? This is an option chart now for that particular strike. And right here, what you see is a premiums on the right-hand side. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So let's say when we are saying, oh, at that time, if the particular price is somewhere around 3, right? You'll see up here, you'll see a bid and an ask, and then the actual price, which is keep changing over here. You have two different ways to do this. You can either simply go, and also depends on how many quantities you want to buy. You just want to preset this right here. If you are comfortable with 10, 20 contracts, depends on how initially you are getting in. So that's where you want to change it. Let's say I said I'm just going to get into Tesla 117 put, right? So to me, according to my account size, if I want to do it 10, I can just go ahead and simply type 10 right here. So that way it's a preset, right? Or you can simply click on 10, 30, 50, 100, 200, whatever you want to pick right here as in quantity.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm adding 10 right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go simply click on a buy, and then it's going to whatever this price is right now. What is the market price right now?
510.
510, right? So 510, it's gonna automatically execute this order. Right now, if I see that from 510, it's keep going up, 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 up. I see that it's a $7 now. I wanna get rid of. I want to get rid of some, or I want to sell some, right? So over here, while I'm in the position, over here, I can do it, change it, everything over here. So now, let's say, for example, I already bought those 10 contracts. Now I want to sell half of them. So I'm just going to simply change quantity half, number 5. And then let's say if by the time we see the price has gone up to 710 now, right? So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply put a sell order right here. Or I can just, no, so let's just stick to buy market, sell market, right? So let's say at that time, the price has become 710, whatever. At that time, I can just simply click on a sell market, and these 5 contracts are already being sold at that market price. Now from 710, if it becomes 8, I want to get rid of maybe 3 more. I just simply change right here, 3 more, sell market. Right? I want to get rid of every single one of them, right? I don't want to, at the first profit taking target, I want to get rid of every single one of them. I don't want to do it. I don't want to wait for that stop loss or anything like that. I see that profit. I think that, this is not working out. It's going to be reversal, or who knows, whatever, right? At that point, to close the entire position, what I simply do is whatever that leftover position, or you are holding whatever that position is, at any time after buying these contracts, at any time you want to select, all you have to do is go all the way right and click right here, flatten. Flatten position means that you are completely closing your position, all of them, whether you have 100 contract, 200 contract, 10 contract, 2 contract, whatever. Flattening means that you are completely getting out of your position. This also works for the same thing, for the stop loss as well. Like if once you see that from 5, it went down to 450, I want to take a stop loss. I'm just going to simply click flatten right here. And then it's going to kick me out. All my positions are closed without any question asked.
So that's like fire sale?
Yes. Exactly. Flatten means you are actually squaring away your positions. Make sense? So to me, this has become much easier when I trade, because when I trade the multiple, when I take the multiple positions, right? All I have to do is like, okay, fine. First, I'm in Tesla. So I just go blah, 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 whatever that Tesla strike is. I just pick that strike, I buy, right? And then now I'm monitoring Tesla. At the same time, I saw that, hey, there is something going on with the NVIDIA as well. All I have to do is just simply go here, NVIDIA, right? And then let's say 143 put that I'm already in the position. Then I'm just gonna go click 143 put, whatever that quantity, quick quantity, I have to set it up, and then buy market. Now, once I see that all these positions are making good, all I have to do is keep reducing the size by sell market, sell market, sell market. Or if I just want to completely get out, all I have to do is just flatten right here, just go quickly change to my Tesla 110, and then flatten right here, and I'm all good. This can be done side by side for the flexible grid as well. You can have 2 different charts open. You can have 2 different active traders are open until in the flexible grid. So that way you don't need to look for change 1 or 2. Let me show you that. how can we, I already have one flexible grid open, so I'm just going to show it to you guys on that. Any questions on this one? How to do this? How to set this up?
What is-
Question, Aditya. Yeah, go ahead.
Mhm.
Go ahead, Aditya.
Go ahead, Kenny. I was just asking, what is reverse position do?
What do you mean reverse position?
That button next to flatten.
Oh, so reverse will work for stock. So now let's say you bought it, right? Instead of buying, now you want to sell it because you know that this is a level which has already been, come up. I mean, this can work over here as well. But I'll show you the stock point of view, and then you can apply the same thing on options. But technically, when you are selling an options, that means you are collecting premium. So you have to remember that it's not as easy as stocks, because with when you're collecting premium, your margin is always on the hold. Right. So is for the stock as well. It's the same thing too. When you are selling a premium, I mean, selling a stock or short selling it, it's the same thing for that too. But reverse position is like, let's say I bought it right here, right at for example, Tesla. I bought it at 104 or $100. Now I see that Tesla is going up, but Tesla can only go up to 110. You can't go up above that, and then I know that it's going to be reversal from 110. So let's say if I bought, let's say if I bought 10 stock, 10 contract, whatever, blah, 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 right? 10 stock. I already bought it, right? Now, at 110, I want to short sell it, right? So not only I have to sell my 10 contract position, 10 stock position, but I have to sell 10 extra, right? So then in that case, I cannot keep clicking this sell market. I can do twice, and it become, it can short sell, or all I have to do is just simply click on reverse. So it will sell my 10 stock, and then it will sell 10 more extra.
Oh, okay.
And now you are in a short position.
I see. So if
you can play this all.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah. So I said you can play this all day around if you want to. Just keep getting in and out of positions.
Dude, that's fun, man. I'm gonna do that.
That's
so fun.
I know.
So, Ankit, I have a follow-up question.
Yes.
So how do you put stop losses? Remember you said that I'm going to move my stop loss from 113 to 112, 112 to 111. Like today you were doing in Tesla, right?
Right. So in that
case, how do you do stop losses in this graph? Okay.
So what I do is when I monitor my graph, right? Do you have to say stop losses on the option itself or stop losses on the stock itself?
On the option itself, I think.
Yes. So when I'm monitoring my graph on the side, right? This is just simply what I do is when I trade the options, I do it right here. But when I'm monitoring my chart on the side, and when I see that Tesla is hitting that stop level, right, or it's not gonna go hold right there, all I have to do is so let's say, let me just switch between this two now. Right, so this is what actually I always monitor on the side. And then I use the other one to take my positions, to close my positions, to flatten it, or to sell it.
Got it. Okay. So you monitor these numbers, and based on that, you will hit the sell button if it hits the stop loss that you have figured in your head.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, also so basically, I think both of us, all this time, we thought that it was an automated process that you set up when you bought
No,
the.
Yeah,
you certainly can.
Yeah, I
So
thought the same.
this is right
Yeah.
here. This is right here. You set it up.
that you can put it in.
Yes, you can at the time of buying, you can always set up a OCO order. So let me show you this. Change this. Right here. Right. Let's say if I'm buying right here. So I'm just gonna simply click right click on here. Fuck. Let's go. Low system resource. I don't know. Somehow it's not showing me what to do right here.
I think Ankit, OCO in stop loss can only be put when you are doing active trading. You accessing కోసం. I was trying to do with some pre-recorded data, but I couldn't do it.
Acha.
Maybe I'm entirely wrong.
No. You're right. You're right. So I can either click over here as an OCO, right? Put my stop right here.
Okay. Oh, and then trail stop.
So you see this? Now
Uh-huh.
let's say,
Yeah.
you see this right here? So let's say I already bought right here at 525. Okay. Now I want to sell, right? So when I bought it, what I want to do is, right here. Okay. All right. So when I, right here. Come on, man. Cancel. Now, let's say if I already bought it, delete. Right? I can either edit right here and then change it to OCO right there. Right? At the same time, I can put it right here. If I bought it at 535, put my stop at $5 right now, and then confirm send right there, right at the same time. Right? This is great.
How did you get this?
Okay. Let's just do this. All right. So once I click right here, right? Let's say I want to buy it at 5. Right? One quantity 5. All right. So let's say I want to buy it at 5. So I clicked over here. Right. Now, if I send it, it's just going to simply execute the order.
Okay.
Whenever it hit the $5 price. Right. Or I can just simply go here, edit, quickly change this advanced order to OCO.
So side buy, position auto, Tesla, strike bonus on put. Price is 360.
All right. One more time. I can just quickly go over here, buy it. Come on. Sure. sorry, custom buy. I can just quickly go over here, custom buy with stop.
Okay.
Buy at this price, sell at this price, confirm.
Acha, perfect.
Right, that's the stop price, confirm. Right, and once it's
Okay.
done, if I see that I'm seeing the profit, then I don't even have to cancel this last order. All I have to do is go ahead and click on that flatten, and it automatically kick me out of all
Mhm.
those.
And can you put in an order like, so you bought at $5, you put a stop to sell at $4 if the ask price gets down to $4 or market price gets down to $4, right? But let's
Yes.
say if you want to automatically set up to sell it at $7 or something.
Hmm.
ये मुझे आमा था कि नहीं?
था ना?
Or like a trail stop, or like you guys always said
Look
trail,
at right
trail,
here.
like if the
Look at
stock
right.
goes up.
OCO.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So when you click over here, template,
Mm-hmm.
OCO, now you are in OCO.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you are in OCO. What do you want? 10% stop, 15% stop, 20% stop, right? Right. So now look at this. Right. If I'm buying, let's say with 10% stop, I'm buying right here. Market, for example. Now I'm just buying right here. So when I'm clicking right here, right, and then what is it showing right here? Buy 565. Target with bracket. Oh, there we go. Target with bracket. Right. You bought it. Right. Now you want to sell it for $1 up or $7 up, or else you want to take a stop loss at 0.50 cents. Now at this particular price, when I'm clicking, what is it showing? Boom.
That you bought at
$5.10 buy. When it's $1 plus, that means $6.10 sell. 50 cents, 50 cents stop loss. Triggered, send, boom, done.
That's trading with bracket.
That's trading with bracket. Technically, you are putting it that OCO order anyways. Right? Your target is $1, $2, whatever. Right? When I do SPX, right, I can simply set up on, let's say, SPX price. Shoot. Option SPX, right?
Yeah, see, this is easy, man. This is, yeah, SPX, I would only trade like with a bracket.
Right. So once I click right here, right? Let's say 38, 35 is our strike, put strike that we are looking for. All I have to do is target with the bracket. Right? 10 positions if I'm taking. Usually for SPX, I usually close all my position right at the same time. Most of the time. That's what it had happened. So I'm looking for that, $3 profit. I'm looking for $1 stop. SPX, buy right here. So $11 entry, $3 profit, which is I'm looking for $14, and then $1 stop So that means that at $10, it's going to kick me out.
Nice.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So this can be done as well. Like there are multiple ways you can do it, right? You can do this too. Like let's say I'm gonna keep adding one, right?
Uh,
So all I do is like, okay, fine. I see this price, and this you are going to see this is constantly moving.
mm-hmm.
Right? Look at so current price right now, 107, right? So 107 somewhere around here, right? So I just simply go here. Let's say I want to buy 10 right now. I see this is a good level. I bought 10. All right. So I bought 10. Buy 10, send. Now, if I see it's coming back down to 104, right? And I see that can be a good support. It has a good volume. I'm going to buy. This is if I'm averaging down, right? So I'm just going to go buy at that time, maybe 10 more. 106, one more, send.
And I wanted to then in order to buy, wouldn't you just hit buy market? Like you set up everything right up
Yeah,
there.
you can do that. You can do that, right? Or what if you are averaging down? You don't even have, you can simply do buy market, but most of the time when you do buy market, what is going to happen? It's going to give you ask price. Now, let's say current ask is 107.07, and then current bid is 107. Now, 107 is not that far. Or I know that this level 104 is going to hit. So I can just simply put pre-order. I can just simply go down and then keep this 104 in mind. And then I just click right here. Okay, fine. 103.96. Send. So this hasn't hit yet.
It's a limit order.
It's a limit order. It become a limit order at that time.
Okay.
Right. So every time when stock hit that price, it's automatically going to keep adding onto it. If I'm adding, right?
Okay.
If I'm not taking any stop loss, these are the single order that I have been adding onto. Okay. Right. Now, when this become after 107, I bought some at 107, some at 104. Now I have two. What's my average?
What?
What is my average price? I have a one stock at 107. I have one stock at 10. Forget about 105. Okay. My average, 106. So my average is 106, right? So 106, now I see that this is coming back up and I want to sell one. I want to sell from 106, it went back up to 112. Now I want to sell one. All I have to do is just keep the quantity over here, sell one at 110, and then keep going up. And then I'm going to do another level, which I have is 115. I'm just going to go sell one at 115. There we go. We're done.
Achha.
Or I see that, 110, it's not going to sustain. I can just simply go. Now, since I'm holding two of them, I can just simply go flat and then close all positions right at the same time.
And then let me ask you this one more question related to this. So let's say I bought an option, a call or a put for $3. And then the stock price at that time is 108. And then that's a call for $110. So can I set up a sell order when the option, when the stock price reaches at $110, the option gets sell at a market value?
Those are advanced orders that you have to set it up, my friend. And that can be done in the pre-market during market setup, during market setups. And if you are an active trader during market setups, it's hard for you to keep doing these orders unless you have a set target that you want to do this, then you can just simply go and take an OCO order at that time.
Hmm.
I'll show you that as well. Let me show you this. Okay, let's say now this can become a more of a day case. Then you don't see for 5 minute trade, 2 minutes trade, right? We don't have a time
Yeah, you don't
to
have
set these
that
things up,
time. Yeah.
right? At that point,
Hmm.
and that's why I be very quick in selling and buying because this is the reason. This is the reason I'm able to do it because I'm there, I'm in
Hmm.
front of my screen, I know where what price is going on, and then I can just constantly keep clicking,
Yeah.
right? Just constantly keep
Yeah.
clicking. If it's keep going up, okay, fine, sell. Going up, sell. Going up, sell,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Or I can just do simply go to trade right here, right? Um, and then create an order. This you can do
Barabar.
it pre-market if you have a time. Now you are, you market settle down. Now you see that these levels are pretty much, stable. Now you have a
Hmm.
time and you want to analyze, and after analyzing you think that, oh yeah, Tesla has made further more downside,
Hmm.
right? In that case, what you can do is like, yeah, you have seen that Tesla has still has a chance to go to $100. Now what you simply do is, let's say if you're buying 108, for example, right? 108 strike. So then I'm gonna go create custom order, buy custom order, right? If you're buying, and then with the
Hmm.
bracket, okay? And then over here you can do all that jazz, right? One contract.
But
So over here, all right, so my buy price is 410, for example. If I'm putting a limit order, I can do limit order as well. Over here, I want to buy it somewhere around $3.50. I don't want to pay more
hmm.
than that. Um, I want to sell this order at $7 now, whatever, right? And then I want to take my stop loss right here at um, $3. Okay, that's one, right? Or
Hmm.
I can just simply go right here, right? I can
Hmm.
change this to market, go to go extreme right, and you'll see this setting
Hmm.
button, which is popping up.
Okay.
This,
Hmm.
okay? Buy market. Now you are creating a condition. So you go create a condition right here for
Hmm.
today, right? Symbol, whatever, Tesla,
Hmm.
method, market. If Tesla price goes below or equal 107, okay?
Hmm.
Then that particular 108, right? Because you are buying, look up here, look up here.
Right.
Buy one Tesla, 6 June 2023, 108 put, market price.
Hmm.
Okay? Now you save this.
Barabar.
Now, once market see that Tesla is below 107, this order is gonna automatically execute.
Okay.
You want to sell Tesla when it goes to 105, right? So once
Hmm.
you go over here, now you're setting up your market order again, right here, and then you set up your condition
Condition.
right here. Tesla market or whatever that price is, right?
Hmm.
Market goes below 105, right? You sell, you're selling this $108 put. Save. Stop when Tesla submit condition,
Hmm.
right? Tesla goes. Now for the stop, you want to put more than, right?
Hmm.
Tesla goes above 110, right? Save.
Save.
right? So now all your conditions are set.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you can put it. But this is where you have a time to do it.
Yeah. Like before market open or something like that.
Yeah, you can set your order up before market open, and then you just set your condition up. And now if you're busy, it's automatically going to buy when it hit that price. It automatically sell whatever the stop loss or the actual, profit, whatever it is, it's gonna hit that sell.
Barabar.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm. Done. Thank you.
Yeah. But when you are in front of your screen, when we are doing that first half an hour or 15 minutes in the morning, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
the best practice. This is the best practice.
Yeah.
Because we know that there's a lot of volatility. Now you don't want to miss on your entry exit while you are creating these orders.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yep.
Any question? So did everyone get it? How do I do it?
Yeah,
Sort of.
sort of.
You can also set it up. Like, let's say I have a Tesla and this one, right? NVIDIA and Tesla. I have these two. So I'm just going to put simply active trader right here,
Mm-hmm.
right? Active trader, Tesla. Oh, I'm looking for 380 put price strike for SPY. SPY, enter 380 put. I have set it up, right? I have set that 380 put price. Tesla, I'm looking for $108 strike or downside. Tesla, 108. I'm set. Now, all I do is I simply monitor my chart. Okay, fine. Do I have to buy it? Okay, good. I'm taking an entry. SPY, I saw on another chart that the SPY is breaking below this 380 level and I want to buy it. I just simply go click buy. Oh, I see Tesla is also breaking that level. I want to buy Tesla. There we go. I want to buy this Tesla put. Click. It's just one button.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you can do it too. Make sense? This will take some time, take a practice, right? But once you are used to this is much more easier. When it comes to making those quick decisions that you want to do it, right? And in these scenarios, like you won't be missing entries or exits. You'll be seeing what is going on right in front of your screen. You can change this as well, right? Like this particular one, you can also make changes too. If you want to add, customize, you want to add average price, daily buy, sell, whatever, positions. Whatever those positions are you have taken, right? It's going to constantly show you right here. Once you buy a position, this will like come with on that particular price. It's going to come as a 2 arrow pointing inside. So that way, what price did you buy. And then as price move, those arrows will be moving. That means it will show you what price is it right now. And then you just simply want to sell, you just click sell right there. But when stock is moving, what I do is, let's say if I already bought, let's say if I already bought this Tesla at $4, right? Now I see that it's keep moving, I see that the stock is getting that push. When I'm setting up my level, sorry, I'm not changing the screen. All right, here we go. Yeah. Right, so when let's say for example, I bought it right now. Now when I see that Tesla on my chart, Tesla is moving, and I see that my first target is 105 or 106, right? But I don't wait for that 106 to come. As soon as I see that 106.16, 106.17, and when you are getting that push in the stock, when you're getting that volume, this premium will start moving fast, right? And if you guys, most of the time, if you would have noticed, once it hit that price, or it just like, pull back from those particular price, even like few cents before, you miss out. And then when the stock hit that particular price range, these premiums are not at that level where they were before, right? Does that happen to you guys too? Like you have been waiting for a long time from 4 to 5 when it hit 106, but it went to 495 and then reversed back on you. Right? Now, at 106, let's say it's from 107, it fall to 106.16. Right? And at that point, you saw that 495. Now it pulled back up to 106, 106.50. Right? And now it's going down. When it hit that 106.16 again, you won't see this 495. You will see 475, 480. Unless and until it won't break 116, you won't see this 495. Why? That's where the theta works. Right? So what you want to do is technically, when stock is moving, you want to constantly look for the sell. And that's how you can get the best price available at that particular time. Otherwise, then you have to wait for a little bit longer. And again, if there is a still weakness and if stock is continue moving in the direction which you want it to, right? But to achieve the same price, you'll have to wait longer, right? Depends on how the momentum is going on. B, that you won't get it at the same price level when last time the stock was there. The stock needs to go further out in order for you to achieve this premium price level in your options. So that's why it's always advisable to keep once those levels are hitting, keep putting sell, because that is the best price that you are getting. After that, you will have to wait. Fair?
Fair.
So yeah, I mean, this is what you want to do is go on demand right here. And you go to on demand and then practice. Set up the same level chart, whatever, doesn't really matter. Go on demand is going to be your on demand. You can actually go back to old data and practice this on your old data as well.
Where can you do that?
So on demand, upper right hand side corner, you can click on demand.
Whatever.
You know, go on there, set up the same thing, what you're looking for, practice over here for a little bit to see how these orders are getting executed, how is it happening. You can always go back to your old dates as well. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, nice.
You can go back and practice, analyze your chart. Right. Let's say I want to see December 30th.
Hmm.
Right. Currently, since I'm sharing this screen, it's like taking a lot of load and it's not showing as it's supposed to. It also take a while to load these things as well.
Yeah.
Right. But yeah, try it in your free time. Try this on demand.
That's a good idea.
So that way you can have a practice and then you are ready when you are ready to go with the real data, real market. We just stop sharing so that way it can just load. But any questions so far, guys, on this one?
Nope, looks like good to go, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got to play around, but yeah, I get the gist of it. It's not that terrible.
Yeah, it's easy.
But it's good in a way because then you can set up all these orders for the stocks so that with this volatility you just can get out and get in at the best price rather than holding and going down until the stock falls to a crazy level.
Right. Right. So that's the key, bro.
Nice. I think now I can transfer some money later into TD.